Hello everybody, it has been a while and I hope you're doing great. Today, I've come up with our all-time favorite ChocoChip cookies. What's special? It's eggless. Let's get on to the video. So the ingredients are half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of caster sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of Maida, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, milk as required, a few drops of vanilla essence, and obviously choco chips. Let's mix the butter and the sugar. This process is called as creaming. It is very important in our cookie making. I'm done with creaming. Now it's time for us to add the Maida, the baking soda, and the cornflour. Now let's mix it thoroughly. Please know that cornflour is used so that you can make the outside crunchy and the inside chewy. Now I'm adding the choco chips, the vanilla essence, and the milk. Please add the milk in batches so that you get the proper dough consistency. Now the dough is ready and we are going to be making balls out of this. After making balls, we are going to keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I am making small balls so that I can share it with all my friends tomorrow. I've rolled the balls and we are keeping it in the fridge so that we get evenly shaped cookies. I've taken this out from the fridge and I've also preheated the oven for 180 degrees. We are going to keep this on the tray and then bake it. Remember to keep distance because it's going to melt and spread, so you need more space. Now let's bake it in the oven for 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. I've just taken this out of the oven and the smell is amazing. I'm waiting for sharing this with my friends tomorrow. This is very hot now and I'm going to let it to cool and then taste it myself. This has completely cooled down and I'm going to taste it. This tastes even more amazing than it smelled. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also remember to ring the notifications bell so that you don't miss on any new videos. Thank you for watching my videos and hope you enjoyed my chocolate chip cookies. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also remember, lovely blue, lovely blue, lovely. Hello everybody, today